dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe at home. Then how was your assessment? Hope all of you can perform very well in assessment 3. Children, we have completed all the lessons from semester 2. So for next class, you have to revise lesson number 3. What is the name of that lesson? Yes, the human body. In that lesson, we have discussed about different organ systems. So, revise that lesson for the next class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss a simple topic. As a citizen of India, we have different duties to do. Keeping our surroundings clean is one among them. Are you keeping your surroundings clean? Very good. I know you all are good children. How can we keep our surroundings clean? We know what all things we have to do to keep our surroundings clean, even though sometimes we fail to do that. Let's go through a discussion in between three friends. Okay.
Priya, Vandana and Amit play in the same park every day after school. However, Vandana has not been coming to play for the past few days.
Hi Amit, I haven't seen Vandana for a while. I wonder what is wrong with her. She is not keeping well. Let us visit her. Gosh, mosquitoes are hovering over my head. It's all due to the dumped garbage and the open drain.
As Amit and Priya walked along the narrow street that leads to Vandana's house, they find it strewn with garbage. On reaching Vandana's house, they find her lying in bed.
Hi friends, I am so happy to see you. Sorry, I could not come to the park to play. I had fever, but now I feel a lot better. We are so glad to hear that. My parents were very worried. The girl living next door is down with dengue. I hear dengue is caused by mosquitoes, and mosquitoes grow in places that are not clean. My parents keep telling our neighbors not to throw their garbage out on the street, but they just won't listen. My father says mosquitoes also grow in water that has been stored for a long time.
Priya looks out of the window into the neighbor's house where water has been collected in large buckets.
These people keep their own houses clean but make no effort to keep the neighborhood clean. Yes, cleaning our home is not enough. We also need to keep our neighborhood clean. Once you feel better, let us call all the children of this street and start a club called the Clean Club. Its main aim will be to keep the street clean. What a great idea! The motto of our club will be, let us make cleanliness a habit. Yes, when the parents see the children cleaning the street, they will feel ashamed and they will stop throwing garbage on the street.
On their way home from Vandana's house, Priya and Amit begin their cleanliness drive by collecting and throwing garbage in the dustbin. They wash their hands thoroughly with soap once they reach home. Do remember that we must always wear a pair of gloves and a mask while cleaning garbage.
So children, cleanliness is very important thing in our life. So it is very important to be clean yourself and also keep your surroundings clean. Stay healthy, stay at home. This much for today. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.